Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and pairing the cooker to its app. Make sure firmware is current so settings behave predictably. Next, measure rice and water precisely because smart algorithms rely on those inputs. Use 1 cup rice to about 2 cups water for most white rice. Rinse until the water runs clear, then place the inner pot in and level the rice. Once done, open the app, choose rice type, and prepare to customize the cooking profile before you hit start. Now you move into customization. Select the exact grain type and texture, soft, normal, or firm, either on the unit or in the app because that alters heat curves. If you live at altitude or prefer chewier rice, adjust time or temperature offsets. Small changes matter. Layer add-ins like vegetables or proteins in a steam basket above the rice so moisture stays balanced, and seal the lid. Make sure to save a profile if you like the result, so the cooker repeats it consistently. You press start and let the cooker complete its full cycle. Smart units usually switch to keep warm automatically, so don't interrupt. Once the cycle ends, leave the lid closed for 10 to 12 minutes to finish steaming. This step evens the grains. Open the lid carefully away from your face, then fluff rice with a rice paddle to release steam and separate grains. If rice is undercooked, add roughly 2 tablespoons of water, reseal, and run a short reheat cycle for 5 to 10 minutes as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.